Okay, I think we're broadcasting now, and you can see my screen?
Yep.
Okay. So here's the first one.
I want to go first, if I can.
Yeah, go ahead.
Go for it.
Okay, it says, oh, I cannot see your screen now.
Yeah, hold on. See what's going on.
Okay.
Can you see it now or no?
Yes, I can see it now.
Okay.
Okay. It says the correlation coefficient is used to quantify the direction and strength of linear relationship. Yes, the third one.
I agree. All right. Who?
Yeah. I can go second. Where did he go? I don't see him. Do you see him?
That might have been me jamming up. I don't know. Somebody is. But Gabriella, do you have this one or you want me to take it?
Oh, I can see it now. If the correlation coefficient is negative, when one variable increases, the other variable tends to decrease. So it's the first one.
Good. The effective outliers on the correlation coefficient is not significant. That's false.
That's false. Yeah.
Yes. Number 6. I will go with my screen because I cannot see yours. Okay.
Well, we got a little bit of a problem. If nobody can see mine, then it's not recording for our meeting. But
think it's not recording?
Well, hopefully it'll have the sound at minimum. Here, wait a minute. Maybe that'll be better.
Okay.
Can you see it now?
I can see it.
Yes, I can see it now.
It wasn't saying present to everybody, so hopefully that did it.
Okay. All right. Thank you. I went to Old Faithful .xlsx and I input the numbers and I got 0.901.
And I did it earlier and I got 0.901.
Oh, okay.
You know,
I did it and I got it wrong. So
do we want to actually do it then so you can see, or are you good? Okay. So let's just make
do it.
It's up to you.
Well, I know I have to input both columns.
Yeah, just copy that column to here and the second column to here, and then it's this number here.
Okay. So I must have done something wrong.
Yeah, maybe you just didn't get all of them or something. There were a bunch of lines there. Okay.
So in this one I got it right, and is the let me see what I put. Positive and strong. So it's the third one.
Okay. So maybe we should, and I know it's that after getting it wrong, but here's where I'm coming from here, where I'm confused.
Okay.
And I think I do need to, get us the plot here so we can see it.
Yeah. Okay. You gotta see the plot first.
Yeah. So let me copy these. So Okay, there's our 0.90. So to me, a strong would just kind of be like a straight line that kind of went like this, right, at a 45-degree angle.
Yeah, I looked at, I went online also trying to figure it out because, there were a few examples on the homework, but it didn't help me much. So
yeah,
that's what I came out with.
All the homework ones made sense to me. They had, let's see, back here to, where did it go? Maybe I shut it down.
Okay.
But all the, there were like 6 or 9 examples, right. I can't remember. And all those were really easy to see what they
yes.
were. This one is, and they said it doesn't matter if it's fat, but to me, it just kind of is almost flat right here.
Yeah. And that's what it really confused me when I looked at that. Is what is that? I haven't seen it.
Yeah, I mean, like this one here, I get. I mean, it's almost completely 45, so that's a 1. Right. That's very strong, right? Yeah. And this, I get. It's, even though it's fatter like this, it's still, going at almost a 45-degree angle, so it's a high number, probably this 95, right? But I just, I didn't get that. I still don't completely get it, but it is the right answer. So I guess we can move on.
Yeah.
Okay. I feel confused about it also.
So whose turn is this next one? Is it mine?
I guess. I mean,
I think it is me.
Okay.
So the -1, that's going to be an easy one to find. It's going to be going this way. This way right here. So that's going to be 4. And this straight line going up is going to be the one that's 1.
Mm-hmm.
This one here is going up, so it's a positive number, but it's not quite a real thin straight line like that. So that would be the 95.
95. Yeah.
The other one going down, that's kind of the same one as we just looked at, would be the negative 95. Yeah. And then you're looking at these two is what's left. And this one's spread out more. So to me, that was the most random one. So it would be the 0. And then this is going the other way down, and it's, spread out. That's 6.
Yep.
Everyone agree with that?
Yep.
I agree with you because I got them all right, but I really don't understand why. I don't know.
Which one didn't you understand? And because this part I get. I think we can explain this one and make it to where it makes sense.
Okay, please explain me all of this.
Well, by the way, part of how you get the answer and probably how you did it is how they relate to each other, right?
Yeah.
So the easy ones to get are this, right? It's a straight line and it's at 45. It's at a 45, right? Real thin. So that means there's an exact correlation. For every 1 you go up this way, you're going up 1 this way almost. It's almost a 1-to-1. So because of that 1-to-1, it's almost a pure correlation. And so that's an R1. It's positive because it's going up. As X goes up, Y goes up. Does that one make sense?
Yep.
Yes. That makes sense. What I don't know is what number should I?
You won't know. We can't compute this. Well, you can. There's a formula. I don't know what it is. They didn't tell it to us.
One thing that can help you is the book online, and you just kind of compare. Like you see, I don't know. I kind of memorize them, how they were and all that, all the plots there. But if you have a familiar something that you have seen, you can guide yourself with that. Because really, you don't have any numbers to go with that.
Yeah, exactly. So, or what you're saying, Nydia, is even though this is a positive correlation, right? You don't know if
Yes.
you don't know if it's 35 or 65.
Exactly.
Yes.
And I don't think we were supposed to know. I don't
Okay.
think that
No.
I don't think that they've given us the tools to know that. But in relation to this one, I know that this is, and you figured it out. It's in relation to each other. But I think the answer to your question is we're not supposed to be able to figure out from the tools they've given us so far that this is 0.95 instead of 0.85.
Right.
Yes.
Does that make sense?
Yes. Yes.
So is that good? We don't need to go further?
Okay.
Or would you
Good.
would you like further explanation or
No.
conversation?
No. 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 I am. I got it. And as you know, what I did was going to the lesson and see the graphs there, and in that way I got them all right. But I didn't understand. But now it makes sense for me. Okay.
Okay, cool.
Okay. That's good.
Thank you. Ah, my turn, right? Okay.
I'm just going to copy these real quick so we have it while we talk
Okay.
about it.
Okay.
Whoops. That's not what I meant to do. Okay.
Okay. Um, Now we can see that our R is 0.728.
So, what is the direction and strength between score and confidence? Oh, well, that looks like another positive, positive and strong.
Yeah, I'm not sure I fully understand that yet, but
Yeah.
I know it's positive and I know it's not weak because
Yeah.
So,
It's like the other one, positive,
yeah,
strong.
exactly. So is anything else we need to go over or can I submit this?
Oh, go ahead, submit it. I
Okay.
think we're good.
Yes.
We should be good. Should be 100%. Yep. Okay.
All right.
I
Good
have,
job.
yes, that's great. And I have a question. When would it be weak?
I'm not sure when it will be weak. I'll have to
I'm not
see
sure.
it.
Okay. Uh, I was,
I
you
I
know,
I think it would have to be maybe very, very flat like this.
oh,
But even then, I don't know.
Is it?
Now we have. By the way, I probably shouldn't have looked at this. Right? I probably should have just gone off of this number.
oh,
The fact that it's 0.72 means it's pretty strong.
Right.
okay.
And the other one was 0.9 something, and so I should have known that was very strong. So yeah, I think that the plot is a little misleading, maybe even that most cases, if we have this score, just use that and we'll be safe.
Okay.
Okay.
But yeah, I don't understand this either. So I don't know
Yeah.
if
Yeah,
you
that's the thing is at what point it becomes weak. What is it? 0.5? I don't know.
Yeah, and I think they made it. I think in the text they said that that's subjective, but they made these numbers purposely probably high so that
Okay.
it was kind of a no-brainer maybe from the number.
Right. Okay.
So what do we have for our project this week?
The project is the inference and take action.
Making inference and taking action.
Yeah. So it's almost the same as the data, but then we have to state the alpha level. I think you put the t-test and the p-value last time. And stating the hypotheses and then the alternative hypotheses.
Okay. So how do we want to tackle this?
So do we want to add the stuff that we already had there, like the p-value, and see what's left?
So
because we had a couple of things in there. Yeah, okay.
Did we? So we had this, right?
Yeah, we had a question. Yeah.
So let's just put in bold what we haven't done.
Okay.
So did we name? I think we named what type of hypothesis test we did, right?
I believe so. Yeah.
I think so too. Your data meets or fails to meet the requirements for your hypothesis test. I don't know that we necessarily did that.
No.
So we'll need to add that.
Okay.
We didn't use a Q plot. Well, we tried to, but
yeah, we tried to.
It wasn't good enough, so we went to 30. Also, write out any formulas you are using to show that your data meets the requirements. We probably need to do that, even though actually we don't have a formula actually.
Oh no. So
we don't have to do that.
No, we don't have to.
Yes.
So a statement of.
So we have to do
alternative. Yeah.
That. State your alpha level.
Yeah.
We have that.
We have that.
We have that.
Okay.
We can restate this maybe a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Because we state that we're, that we state in plain English what happened, but we don't say that we rejected the null.
Right. So maybe we just have to add it in there somehow. Yeah, in the statement.
Finally, state your conclusion in terms of your alternative hypothesis, which, okay, just restating that a little bit, probably.
Yeah.
Wanted to describe the action you would suggest based on the results of your study. The action you would suggest, buying the better paper towel? Is that what they're looking for?
I would think so. I mean, yeah.
Which action to take? So basically, it would be when economy doesn't matter, choose the name brand paper towel, particularly Scott, right?
Right. Consumers will be happier with Scott's since it's more durable and things like that. I don't know.
Yep, exactly. Okay, I think that's it.
Okay. So we have a few.
And isn't do we still have that shared document out there? We should.
We should, yeah. We should.
So let me go there and try to find that.
Okay.
And then I'll just copy this to that.
Okay.
Which is which here? That's not the one we need. It's not that one either, is it?
I thought it was a Word document.
It's right here.
Oh.
Yeah, it was Word by the time we submitted it, but to be able for all of us to be able to look at it.
Are you missing something there? I thought
Yeah, I'm missing. I only added part of it to. Okay. Shoot, I added that part that I added. Was only in the Word document before I resubmitted it. Okay. So I'll tell you what. I will copy what I submitted to this document plus this make inference thing with the bold so we know what to do. So do we just want to divide this up? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things. Each of us take 2.
All right.
Okay.
Any preference?
I'll go for 5. I'll continue with 6. There you go. That was easy.
Okay. I can go with 7 and 10.
Okay, and I'll do 11 and 12.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, I will update this in just a little bit then so that it's available for everybody on here.
All right, sounds good.
And is there anything else we need to talk about?
I don't think so. I mean, we can see where we're at on Thursday for the project and continue with that.
Okay.
Okay, that sounds good.
All right. All right. Thanks, guys.
See you then.
Have a great